Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Authenticator on your phone. Make sure the app is up to date and your device is unlocked. Once done, switch to the website or service where you want to sign in and choose the two-step or 2FA option. You'll see an option to scan a QR code or to enter a key manually. Make sure you can view both screens at once because you'll need to scan or type the code quickly to link the account. Now, point your phone camera at the QR code displayed on the sign-in page. Authenticator will detect it and add the account automatically. If you can't scan, tap to enter the provided key exactly as shown, then name the account so you recognize it later. Once the account appears in Authenticator, you'll see a 6-digit time-based code that refreshes periodically. Make sure the code appears before continuing, because that confirms the app and the service are synchronized. To finish, type the current 6-digit code from Authenticator into the service's verification field and submit. You should be signed in immediately. Next, save any backup or recovery codes the service gives you and enable automatic time synchronization on your phone so tokens remain accurate. If the code is rejected, make sure your device clock is set to automatic network time, then recheck the code. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account using the original QR or setup key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.